guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you if your iPhone app are stuck on waiting or not downloading or not updating the apps from the app store. So this video will help you out to fix this issue. So first you need to check your internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, you need to switch to mobile data. If you are using mobile data only, if you have any strong Wi-Fi connection nearby you, open the Wi-Fi and you need to connect your iPhone to any Wi-Fi. After connecting this guys, open your app store and simply search your app and try to update your app or download the app. It will 100% fix your problem. So 90% of the reason is this guys, due to internet connection only. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the next method. Pause the download and resume it again. Try this method 2 or 3 times continuously. Hopefully this will help you to fix your problem. And main important thing guys, you need to check your iPhone storage. Okay, if there is not storage available on your iPhone, at that time you can 100% fix this type of problem. Open your iPhone settings, go to journal, open the iPhone storage. If the iPhone storage is full, you need to free up some storage space. After freeing up, it will 100% fix your problem, and then you need to restart your iPhone one time. After restarting, it will fix your problem. Still the problem is same. Now you can try the next method. Open the app store once again, go to your Apple account and then tap on Apple ID and simply log out and log in back. Try this method one time. After doing this guys, it will fix your problem. Also you need to update your iPhone as well. If the software update is available, you need to update your iPhone. After trying this all method, it will 100% fix your problem. So that's for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to Smart. See you in the next one.